Gulf and Safa Dairies, Abu Dhabi, delivers the best of all products that will surely satisfy your senses. We at Safa abide to strict quality control process and standards to make sure our products are of the highest quality for you and your family to enjoy. And that's why we proudly call it the family's choice. From our spacious and modern factory situated in Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates, with state-of-the-art facilities having processing capacity of 16,000 liters per hour, we produce a wide range of dairy and juice products, carefully made to please all tastes.
مهمة في حياة الإنسان، ونعتبرها من المواد اللي هي تقريبا شجعت فيها الدولة أول بدايتها لسبب أنها التصنيع في هذه الألبان والمشتقات والأعصار المشتقات هي من أسس الدولة اللي فكرت فيها بالبداية، ونحن بلشنا فيها والحمد لله لنا حوالي 40 سنة في هذا المجال.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Gulf and Safa Dairy Abu Dhabi is always focused on the customer satisfaction. Quality and the product range with the new product manufacturing in terms of carefully review your need and demands. Together, we have made an incredibly journey of success, and more important, a credible brand that resonates with the nation's spirit of excellence. Throughout our journey, we faced many challenges which we never gave up to. Instead, we stopped up and innovated solutions. We moved strong in our journey to success, and we stood proud on our achievement. Our company began activity in 1980 with the production capacity of 3,000 liters per hour, and later it's expanded to 30,000 liters per hour to supply our product to meet the huge customer demand. The challenge pushed us to manufacture non-live product, so we have a huge UHT plant in Hamid area, and we are going to have the plastic bottles manufacturing while hoping that the introduction of this section help us to support our profits. We believe by offering high quality product, we can contribute to people have a healthy and happy lifestyle. Our mission to develop and produce quality dairy and juice products which promote a healthy lifestyle. Our vision to be the UAE trusted product in fresh dairy and juice products, producing quality and healthy products.
Gulf and Safa Dairies is determined to deliver the best to its customers. Today we take you in a journey into our production facilities to show you the steps that create our fabulous delights and demonstrate our level of commitment to the highest hygienic and quality standards. Our quality team takes a sample of the milk and examines it to make sure it complies with our high quality standards. The milk is then siphoned and chilled carefully into raw milk storage tanks. Then comes in the process of pasteurization. The milk is pasteurized and homogenized in the pasteurizer to make sure the milk is free from pathogens and is safe for consumption. Then this milk is packed.
To achieve this objective, company will be maintain effective and efficient quality management system which based on international quality management requirement like ISO 9000, ISO 14000 or so on. And we strongly believe healthy family build a healthy nation. That's why our product call as a family
Pre-inoculated milk for yogurt is filled by the machine into the containers. These are then transferred to the incubation room, where in friendly culture bacteria converts it into delicious yogurt. The expert incubator in charge checks for the yogurt setting, then transfers the crates to the blast cooling for cooling down the product.
Previously, we are producing 100,000 liters per day. We are producing 200,000 liters per day.
Lebanon Up, the drinking yogurt, is incubated in the tanks, and after the curd is ready, it's stirred, cooled, and then packed. Juices, drinks, and nectars are blended from the best quality fruit pulp and fruit concentrates selected from different parts of the world. The product is then pasteurized and then filled. Your health and well-being is very important to us. We apply the high-quality controls measures to make sure all our products are of top quality and safe for consumption. we conduct chemical tests and microbiological analysis in our laboratories to ensure that the products reaching you are best and safe.
Quality department ensures that product or services is consistent by concentrating on quality planning, quality assurance, and quality control and quality management. And our quality control department is focused not only on the product and services quality, but also on the mean to achieve it.
Our research and development wing constantly develops new products to meet the customer's demand. Our stores are well arranged and all products are neatly stored at cold temperatures.
Believing in what we do, taking full ownership of our action and dedicating our efforts, time and energy to achieving the desired results by reaching the customers with their demands. We have wide range of dairy and juice product in the market from very long time, which shows that trust in the market and trust in the customers about our products. Our successful formula: increase penetration existing markets, new products line extension, new client segments, new export clients, new channels of distribution. We can proudly say that our company is the only one company that has all type of customers irrespective of ages and regions. And we are proud of it. Our main motive is to reach every corner of the nation, to be the leading dairy and juice lifestyle brand, providing happiness to our customers by linking past and future generation.
All our products are easily accessible for all customers. Gulf and Safa Dairies have major distributing centers within the UAE and a fleet of more than 50 refrigerated trucks to ensure our fresh products reach you wherever you are in the UAE within less than 24 hours. And whether it's a major hypermarket or a small grocery store around the corner.
We have wide range of clients, all natural. We are completely happy that we are fulfilling their needs on time. The quality of our product is our strength, which gives extra motivation to hit our goal.